All right, y'all, I'm back with another video. So today, I'm gonna be taking this piece off where the fabric is behind the bezel. This is the color that I'm gonna use. These are the tools that you need. I already did the back one. The other door right here was real easy. It got two tabs on each end where they line back up at, so when I put it back together, it should be pretty easy. So let me get set up and show y'all and see if I can get this part on video. Bye for now. All right, y'all, I'm back. Let me get started and show y'all what I did with the first door. All right, if y'all can see this, dig on your tab so when you go back to put it back together, it'll line up on both sides. So you got two of these. All right, so what I'm about to show y'all in between these tabs is where it click in. Some be melted, some don't. Like these right here are melted up here at the top, if y'all can see that. Up here at the top, they like melted on. So that's why I'm gonna use my saw. My cutter to cut them off. So let's get started. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is use this right here and start prying it apart. All right, so that's pried apart. The next thing I do is get these staples out of here, but I'm only gonna leave these two staples right here. If y'all can see that, I'm gonna leave these two staples right here. So this will stay on the piece, and I'll be able to line this back up when I put it back together. So let me get these staples off. I'm gonna go up underneath it and bend them out. All right, I'm only gonna bend out these two. Then I'm gonna lift it up with this. Pull them out with this end. Then I'm gonna take my vice grips and pull them all the way out. All right, y'all. I'm not gonna do the rest of these on camera because I'm burning up my time. That video right there I just showed you took me 5 minutes. So let me get this piece out, then we're gonna get to putting the fabric on. Bye for now. All right, y'all, I'm back. So today, I'm about to mix this epoxy to make my marble for my doors. I got this blue right here, this black right here, white pearl, and some silver. This is metal flake. I don't know if I'm gonna use that yet, but it's up there just in case I want to try to use that. So here go my doors. I already got them masked up. The back doors as well. So we're gonna see how this come out today. I'll probably turn y'all back on after I drop it. But yeah, that's what we doing today. So bye for now until later. Bye for now.
Again is buka ote.